Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Energy saving. Energy saving is the effort made to reduce the consumption of energy by using less of an energy service. Let me show you something. This is at Putrajaya, the Diamond Building. The Diamond Building is designed and built based on the concept of sustainable development, considering the following aspects: reduction in fossil fuel consumption, water saving, sustainable building materials, waste reduction and avoidance, the quality of the indoor environment, traffic and transportation management, construction and demolition management plan. What is that? This building could be one of example of energy saving, and could be a reason why I told you about this building. Electricity. Electricity has given us many benefits. Installing excessive lighting is among the factors of energy wastage, but there are also unavoidable factors. Thus, many people try to create electricity from renewable energy sources so that it can be reused. Present hour.
So, here's the plan. Our idea is to make an oven. No, not a normal convection oven that uses unrenewable energy, which doesn't really save any energy. Our oven will use renewable energy, such as solar energy. The oven door is automatically opened by sliding the door down. The small glass window right above it functions to release heat 5 minutes after the baking process, before opening the main door. Heat transfers through radiation with the help of light energy by solar panel that replace electricity. The heat is then transferred through conduction by the metal underneath the trays and the metal bar connected with it.